Hiya everyone, welcome back. This is week 2 of the Devlog. Last week I managed to sort out a movement system, an attack system and a basic enemy. This week managed to sort out some camera movement, knockback from when you get hurt by the enemy, and fixed a few bugs. So let's get into it. This is where we left off last week without any camera following movement. I then got a basic following setup. I didn't like the feel of it being centered the whole time. The first thing I did to try to combat this was try to implement dead zone logic. The way the dead zones work is by creating a barrier above and below the character that nudges the camera up and down when the player breaches it. I found it not to be too great, to be honest. Another thing that I didn't like was the way that the camera's boundaries breached the walls and floor. This led to implementing a boundary system. This took some time to get to work because it kept glitching out. After a lot of trial and error, 2 days, I finally got a camera system that worked, looked and felt how I wanted it to. The next thing that I implemented was knockback from the enemy. Pretty simple. The enemy hurts you, you get pushed back. The next thing that I focused on was something that was really getting to me, so I couldn't seem to figure out why I just kept on passing through all of the walls. So one thing that I did that I think has sorted it out, and let me know if you know how to sort this out, but it hasn't been an issue since, was changing the rigid body collision detection type to continuous from discrete. For now, it seems to be working. The final thing that I did this week on the project was create a rule tile. This allows you to easily paint platforms. A little tricky to set up, but once it was set up, it made it quite speedy to lay out platforms. Even though I missed 2 days of making the project, I'm actually quite happy with the progress that I've managed to make so far. I can't wait for everything to stop feeling as much of a placeholder so that I can concentrate on animating and level design, but that's all going to have to wait until all of the frameworks and scripting is sorted. Over the next week of development, I'm going to concentrate on creating enemies with a more complex combat system. So give it a like and follow and see how I get on next week.